Your sandals felt amazing when you first put them on. They were soft, comfortable, and every step was like butter underneath your toes. Keyword was. Now, that soft Nubuck leather footbed is compacted with dirt, grimy from sweat, and every step feels more like post-vacation. Sitting at your desk thinking about the Bahamas, you just want to go back. But the thing is, no one actually explained to you how to keep that soft, plush feeling. Today, let's change that together. Hey guys, my name is Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. I'm going to be showing you a simple, repeatable routine to clean, revive, and soften your Nubuck so your sandals actually feel good again and don't look worn out before their time. You'll go from having hard, compacted fibers to soft, refreshed, and comfortable again. Let's get to it. Before we get started, let's grab some supplies. Today, I'll be using Leather Honey's Suede and Nubuck Care Kit, vetted and approved by Trenton and Heath over at Southern Polished for their sandals. Links in the description below. Nubuck leather is smooth leather that's been sanded down, exposing fibers and giving it a soft suede-like feel. Because those fibers are less protected, Nubuck needs different care than smooth leather. Step 1. Dry cleaning. Use a soft brush or microfiber cloth to gently remove surface dust and debris from the straps and the Nubuck footbed. Skipping this step can grind dirt into the leather and damage the soft nap, so take a moment to clean and lift the fibers before moving on. On to step 2. Use the Suede and Nubuck eraser. Gently rub the eraser onto the compacted, shiny, or affected areas with light pressure. As you rub, this is going to lift the dirt, grime, sweat, and oils, transferring them onto the eraser shavings. Simply brush off the excess shavings with your suede brush as you go, then repeat on the same spot as needed. For most Nubuck and Suede footbeds, this eraser is really all you'll ever need. For most jobs, you can honestly stop right here after it's all done to get that buttery feel again. However, you may be dealing with something more sinister, compacted dirt, grime, or even salt stains from the pool or ocean that are stubborn to get out. And that's where we need help from specially formulated leather care. All you need to do is apply a small amount onto a clean microfiber cloth and then gently rub into the affected areas. It's important to always spot test to prevent unexpected results. Simply apply a small amount of cleaner to a hidden portion of your leather and then assess the results. From there, continually move to a clean portion of your cloth with a little more cleaner as you wipe for best results. Then repeat across the entire footbed. Now this is important, guys. To prevent water spots, clean the entire Nubuck footbed rather than just one area. Light marks can be spot clean, but if you see a water ring form, you'll want to moisten the entire footbed so that when it dries uniformly to prevent those rings. Now, a little hack here, if you found that your straps are limp, you can use a rolled up towel to give it back its shape as it dries. Now, once your sandals are completely dry, this is where most people go wrong. They think that their Suede or Nubuck is ruined because the fibers are matted down and hard. But there's one final step here. We need to brush back those fibers and revive the nap. Simply take your brush to lift those fibers up again, and if the brush isn't enough, grab your Suede and Nubuck eraser to really lift back those fibers, ensuring that soft, buttery feel again. Now, because Nubuck is different from smooth leather, it doesn't actually need conditioning creams or waxes. Those will completely ruin the buttery, soft footbed. You're pretty much good to go from here. No further action needed. However, as you can see, the straps are made up of smooth leather, bison to be specific on these sandals, so for that, we'll be using some Leather Honey leather conditioner. Simply apply a pea-sized amount directly onto the leather. Note, you do not want to apply any of this conditioner onto the Nubuck footbed, as this will flatten the fibers and may ruin the texture that you just got. Apply the conditioner solely onto the smooth leather. Last but not least, if you want to protect your footbed from, let's say, ketchup or mustard stains from your 4th of July celebration, we can use the Leather Honey Suede and Nubuck Protector. All you have to do is take your clean, dry sandals and spray a few pumps of the protectant formula onto your sandals from about 6 to 8 inches away. You do not want to saturate your sandals. Simply let it fully dry for 24 hours and then apply 1 to 2 more times for best results. Guys, there are many unsafe chemical protectants on the market that use forever chemicals that put your health at risk. Leather Honey is dedicated to creating the safest options, so this protectant is formulated without forever chemicals for the safety of you and your family. So if you're interested in getting results like this for all of your Suede and Nubuck items, definitely check out the links in the description below. Remember that this simple routine, brush, clean, and condition, helps them stay comfortable, look better with age, and stay on your feet for years to come. And if you guys haven't checked out Trenton and Heath sandals, definitely head over to southernpolish.com. They offer a wide variety of quality leather sandals for both men and women that are made right here in the USA, just south of Nashville, Tennessee. Not just that, they also offer a lifetime warranty, so you never have to worry about something like a broken strap. And for a limited time, use code AVUMMIES at checkout for an extra special bonus discount for sandals that provide all-day comfort and last a lifetime. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you own a pair of leather sandals, shoes, or boots, consider subscribing with the bell icon for more expert leather care tutorials to keep your leather looking and feeling great for years to come. And don't forget to leave any questions you have in the comments below. I read every one. Now, if you have smooth leather sandals, you probably haven't cleaned them or conditioned them in a while. I take you through my exact process to properly restore your sandals to their former glory. So watch this tutorial next, and I'll see you over there. Remember to love your leather.